In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on map book future while talking about the star chart book cost figure for 2023, and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and any fundamentally other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like star chart book presently. How about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the star map book value forecast and answer questions in the event that map book is a wise venture or not. For what reason will chart book succeed or for the most part fizzle? Or for what reason will star map book value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what map book is and its to-date history. Map book value expectation for the truly next 10 days, or so they thought. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs at the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on into the situation. The horizon is dim, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers in a real sense are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto by and large is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is especially reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We explicitly expect whales and other in every practical sense, greater players in the market, to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike, which is very critical. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each task. Basics that we basically assess for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab in an unpretentious way. 2023 03 to 10, plus 6.21% dollar. 0.00035, 2023 03 to 11, 3.30% dollar. 0.0032, 2023 03 to 12, plus 4.59% dollar. 0.0034, 2023 03 to 13, plus 3.46% dollar. 0.0034, 2023 03 to 14, 1.52% dollar. 0.0032, 2023 03 to 15, 5.95% dollar. 0.0031, 2023 03 to 16, plus 2.27% dollar. 0.0034, 2023 03 to 17, plus 2.03% dollar. 0.0033, 2023 03 to 18, 0.48% dollar. 0.0033, 2023 03 to 19, 7.44% dollar. 0.0030, 2023 03 to 20, 7.26% dollar. 0.0030 star map book value expectation 2023 high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance all things considered, thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to generally slip essentially lower with every minor market quake, which is genuinely huge. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 April 20.61% dollar. 0.0026 2023 May 37.38% dollar. 0.0021 2023 June 24.90% dollar. 0.0025 2023 July 11.86% dollar. 0.0029 2023 August 2.19%, $0.0032, 2023. September plus 0.22%, $0.0033, 2023. October plus 9.72%, $0.0036, 2023. November plus 18.58%, $0.0039, 2023. December plus 24.05%, $0.0041, 2024. Jan plus 37.80%, $0.0045, 2024. February plus 38.77%, $0.0045, 2024. Blemish plus 56.00%, $0.0051. Map Book Value Forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees MapBook coming to $0.0084 in 2025. What will MapBook be worth in 5 years? The cost of Chartbook in 5 years could lie around $0.0078. Star MapBook Value Forecast 2030-2040. What Star Chartbook will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Star MapBook coming to $0.0209 in 2030. What Star Chartbook will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Star MapBook coming to $0.0418 in 2040. Will Star MapBook sort of outperform, really surpass Bitcoin? Which is very critical. No, Star MapBook won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Star MapBook reach $1? Indeed, Star MapBook could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Could Star Chartbook reach $10? Indeed, conceivable Star Chartbook can reach $10, however just in a removed future, after 2030. Could Star MapBook especially reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Chartbook to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Will Star MapBook especially reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star MapBook to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Amazingly, is Star MapBook pretty worth purchasing? We for the most part are promoters of decently dangerous financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC. Half 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Star MapBook merits purchasing in an unobtrusive manner. Is Star MapBook a very wise venture? Star MapBook is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Star MapBook be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0019. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.0209 or significantly higher. For what reason will Star Chartbook succeed and become more expensive? Star Chartbook has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and in every way that really matters.